Okay, this is Jenna and we're making pie.
I'm making pie.
Well, I'm helping getting the ingredients.
I cracked an egg. And you stop eating the whipped cream. Will you watch that?
I need a spoonula.
A spoonula?
Oh crap, I unplugged it.
Nice.
I think the whipped cream is yummy.
Okay, there's still sugar on the Should we tell them about the sugar experience?
Yeah.
No, we shouldn't.
Okay.
Where does this go?
Renee was trying to eat the sugar, and then she was like,
No,
bam!
it's actually-
Ow! You guys, look what she did again.
Again.
It's still on. Oh, jeez! Look at that! Look at that! Jenna.
Sorry, I gave you a hickey.
Yeah, you
Sorry,
guys.
Jordan. I branded your lady.
Nice.
Well, Renee, you helped.
I videotaped it.
Oh, I still can't believe my mom said that.
No, go away. Go away, I'm ugly. Go away. It's 11 o'clock. It's only been a half hour.
I can't believe my mom said that to that guy. I mean, I can't believe that guy said that to my mom. Go
What
ahead.
did he say?
My mom.
Hold on, everyone. Show Lucifer first. Okay, so this is Lucifer. He... Jenna.
I need the whipped cream. What did you do with it?
I ate it.
I need it. Why do you need it? Because I'm not done with it.
Chelsea kept eating.
Lucifer.
Well, Renee, why don't you say what my mom said?
Wait, no, wait.
Her mom...
It's 10:59.
Okay, so her mom went to the store and...
Really hot guy.
and a really hot guy works there, and Chelsea totally got me out of the frame.
No, he was still in it.
So...
Oh no, low battery, hurry up.
Okay, so pretty much what happened is we were talking about Jenna and telling her...
She was making pie, and then she told
Her mom... Are you
her
gonna
mom
tell
told the hot guy. Yes, because you're talking too
Okay.
slow. No, because I was like, crap. Okay. Well, anyway, so
This is really
her
good.
mom told the hot guy that she was making pie,
Renee.
and she's like, I can have you bring up. I can have her bring up a piece of pie, and then he's like, forget the pie, I just want a piece.
Yeah, and then we told Jenna,
And she was like, ah.
and now she's all licking her finger, thinking it was him.
Creamy white stuff.
Oh. Alright, say goodbye. Say goodbye. That's our pie mix. Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye, Lucifer. Say goodbye.